Hey everyone, this is Michael Nunez speaking, and our co-host today,
Dave Anderson. How are you doing, Mike?
I'm doing all right, man. If you haven't noticed, the past couple episodes I've been recording live from the Boogie Down, and Dave has been in Jersey. He hasn't been recording with me, and we're practicing social distancing due to COVID-19.
As much as I would love to be in the Boogie Down Bronx, I am in dirty Jersey.
Oh yeah. We've been at war with the hidden invisible enemy called coronavirus, COVID-19 as people have been calling it, and we've been working from home for about a week now, I think, and we've been recording longer than that since COVID started slowly accelerating and multiplying, which has been pretty crazy.
Yeah, gotta keep baby Gio safe.
Oh yeah, baby Gio safe. The grandparents is important. His grandparents.
I mean, it's kind of a really lucky thing that we, as software engineers in the tech industry, have this kind of flexibility that we can work from home, and we have the technology and tools to collaborate.
I haven't noticed much change in terms of getting the work done, but what definitely has caused some slowness for me has been people love to share their own personal Zoom backgrounds, which is hilarious. People have all sorts of different backgrounds or show off their pets.
I've tabbed away from Zoom right now because I can't look.
Yeah, no, I mean I have my son Gio, he pops up in every meeting. You'll see his face and everyone's like, who's that? I'm like, oh yeah, that's my son. This is why I'm staying home. And people kind of understand the reason why I've been very social distancing.
Sounds like he's kind of a Where's Waldo kind of thing in the video chat, just popping up randomly.
He always pops up on the side of the couch. What's going on there? I've noticed that he, the first couple of days where I've been working from home, he's like, you're still here. You have not left yet. What's going on?
I feel like that with my dog. My dog just bites me instead.
Yeah, exactly. No, Gio just looks very confused. That's all it is. To those listening, we hope that you stay safe. There are some tools to stay safe, including social distancing. We've seen many different variations of washing your hands. Google has the top 5 things you can do, where it's hands, wash them often, elbow, cough into them, face, don't touch it, feet, stay more than 3 feet apart, and feel sick, stay home.
Yeah.
That's the important one from Google.
Is that an acronym?
No, it's they didn't do a good job. It's hef.
I mean, I feel like the Wu-Tang did a better job with their
so there's a Wu-Tang one where it's protect your neck against the coronavirus. So if you took the word Wu-Tang as the Wu-Tang Clan, the W, wash hands, U, use mask properly, T, touch nothing, A, avoid large crowds, N, never touch your face with unclean hands, and G, go to the hospital if you have severe symptoms.
Pretty straight.
Protect your neck.
Pretty straightforward.
Exactly. Gotta love the Wu-Tang. It's great.
Yeah. I mean, it's pretty intense right now, and I mean, so having these kind of light things definitely helps. I saw a video that a friend of the show, Sean, posted in our Slack for Alton Brown about hand washing technique, and learned that bar soap is maybe better than liquid soap. That kind of blew my mind.
That's crazy. I had no idea.
Yeah. Never thought about how much of my life I'm touching my face until now. Just
exactly. If you would die from touching your face from this virus, I'd be dead a long time ago. So gone.
Yeah.
Not cool.
Unclear if the beard protects.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I think last but not least, I mean, I'm definitely not one to working remotely on a cadence consecutively has not been a thing that I've done before.
Yeah.
Friend of the show, Travis, had put out a blog on adjusting to remote software development. We'll definitely leave that in the show notes as well. Shout out to Travis for putting this together. He's been working remote for a while, so he's definitely used to this, but it was great to read tips and tricks on things to do to work remotely. I'd love to hear more tips and thoughts, and how's everyone doing in this situation, feel free to hit us up.
Yeah, and I saw some different folks like talking on Twitter about how they've worked remotely, and we've talked with people who work remotely a lot. Like we talked in episode number 83, remote only.
Yeah.
Episode number 127, remote pair programming with Ben Orson.
Right on the tats, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Reading them tats fresh.
Super helpful tool to collaborate. But yeah, I mean, it's interesting because this is a very different situation than most people have when they're working remotely. So definitely curious, like what kind of challenges you guys are facing and how you're getting over them.
Yeah, just send us a tweet over at Radio Free Rabbit and we'll check it out and see if we can share any tips to the community so that we could get better at this. Catch you later.
Follow us now on Twitter at Radio Free Rabbit so we can keep the conversation going. Like what you hear? Give us a 5-star review and help developers just like you find their way into the rabbit hole. And never miss an episode. Subscribe now however you listen to your favorite podcast. On behalf of our producer extraordinaire, William Jeffries, and my amazing co-host, Dave Anderson, and me, your host, Michael Nunez, thanks for listening to The Rabbit Hole.